Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Modify 03DR Pro. Modify Pro is an evolution of the 3D print tool. It is now tougher and has more power. We have added adjustable temperature control with an LCD display. Temperature can now be set up to 450 degrees Celsius to allow for future potential of new tips and attachments. The Pro is designed to replace much of the sanding, scraping, and snapping to finish off your 3D prints, and comes with 10 interchangeable tips. The new improved tips are stronger than before and provide more functions, including the ability to produce countersinks and setting threaded inserts. Modify 3D Pro is easy to use and takes away the frustration of finishing 3D prints. Simply plug in, and it can be ready to use in 20 to 25 seconds. The Pro also has options for standby and sleep modes if not being used. Bessie's Premium All-Steel Bar Clamps. This entire rail and anvil is forged and tempered from a single piece. This makes it highly durable and torsion resistant. The sliding arm is made of forged and tempered steel and withstand even the heaviest of loads. The special friction-resistant mortar head can be tilted up to 35 degrees and can easily be field replaced. All three versions have a hardened and oil-soaked entered steel insert. This ball and socket approach ensures excellent low-friction application that greatly extends service life. The surface-treated and tempered spindle with sliding T-bar handle is particularly smooth running thanks to the Acme thread. The 3/4-inch hexagon bolt on the end of the spindle provides the extra power when clamping. Ray Sealant Finishing Tool. This is the new and groundbreaking tool for the job, the Ray Sealant Finishing Tool. Place your thumb on the thumbprint of the ray. Hold firmly and fold the tool wings upwards, releasing the tension. Turn sideways. Align the smoothing tip over the start of the sealant run and press down. Get used to the pressure needed to ensure that both wings sit flat on the two surfaces of the joint. Have a practice run before applying the silicone and practice until you feel comfortable with the tool. Once you feel confident, apply the silicone along the joint. Working from the corner out, carefully align the smoothing tip pressing down on the tool to ensure that both wings sit flat on the two surfaces of the joint. Hold firmly in place, keeping the pressure on, and glide the ray along the seal. Run the tip will leave a smooth parallel joint while the two wings will remove and collect any material residue. This should be wiped clean with paper tissue before further use. It's all in the wings. If the seal doesn't cover completely, or if you miss or damage a section, or if any residue is left on the tile, no problem. Go back and repeat the process. Corner joints are not a problem with Ray. Always work out from the corners to achieve a perfect professional finish. Ox Rafter Squares. The Ox 180mm and 300mm Pro Series Rafter Square is the ultimate metric square for tradies demanding high accuracy and heavy-duty durability. Constructed with extra thick anodized, extruded aluminum, and easy-to-read, laser-etched markings, this square offers unmatched job site precision, tough dependability, and resistance against rust and hard knocks. Ideal for rapid precision marketing at 45-degree and 90-degree angles. Exacting technical angles like crafter layout or scribbing notches at 5mm increments. Featuring metric markings to the millimeter conversion tables for rise and run application, and extra wide base for stability and secure holds on timber, and straight edges for superior marking accuracy. Choose the Ox 180mm Pro Series Rafter Square. CBR Gluing Technology. The gluing technique is ideal for damage to seals, side panels, hoods, or the rear part. Up to 80% of the deformation can thus be formed back in an extremely short time. Round deformations without body edges are pulled flat by the large area connection of the gluing pads with the panel metal. Thus you can pull out the material softer and gentler. The gluing technology perfectly complements the already existing tensile components and the air-powered pneumatic press. The glue set is usually amortized as a result of the high time savings in the repair of the first damage. YATO's COIL spring clamp. Professional spring compressors with a length of 200 millimeters. Spring pullers are indispensable in the professional service of the chassis. They are adapted to all types of springs in McPherson struts and independent springs. They have a fine thread that facilitates work under spring load. The pullers work with the Onet 1-inch ratchet. The work is safe thanks to the specially profiled 2-armed handles. WEICON wire stripper. Complete tool for stripping the sheathing and insulation of many types of cables in domestic installations from 0.5 to 16.0 millimeters square and 4 to 13 millimeters in diameter. The pliers have a preset blade that allows for round and longitudinal cuts without adjusting the depth of cut. The wire stripper can be used for both stripping and stripping of inner conductors. It is made of robust and ergonomic glass fiber reinforced polyamide. The durable blades are made from high-quality steel from Sealant. OXPro's Tuff level range. OXPro Tuff levels boast a strong, lightweight, reinforced aluminum profile with milled surfaces for guaranteed stability and extreme durability. Pro Tuff levels have a box profile with ergonomic ridges for easy grip. Tried and tested by everyday rate professionals. OX took worldwide feedback and they've removed the handles for increased strength. Every vial in this series is calibrated at 0.005 inches per inch, 1.5 millimeters per meter of accuracy. Removable 9mm shock-proof rubber end caps provide resilience against unexpected drops or damage to surface on site, whilst also absorbing shocks and maintaining the integrity of the level. Available in 6, 8, 12, and 2000 millimeters. For precision, dependability, and durability, you can count on. Get your hands on the OXPro Tuff level range. Work Sharp Benchstone Knife Sharpener. The Benchstone is a great sharpening system for anybody. This compact, complete solution delivers the same performance as having 3 independent bench stones, except now they are integrated into one system that lets you index between grits that delivers performance edges on any knife you want. The angle guides are quickly interchangeable between 20 and 25 degrees to accommodate both your indoor and outdoor knives. The Benchstone base incorporates our pivot response technology. It allows the stone to pivot and follow the curve of the knife when sharpening, making it easier and more consistent. The Benchstone is a compact, complete sharpening solution for every knife you own and common edge tools wherever you need a sharp edge. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.